You searched how to buy shares of Installed Building Products, Inc., a U.S. company that installs insulation and related building products and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker IBP. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy IBP, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before placing a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker IBP to find the company quickly. Select the result that matches Installed Building Products, Inc. to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company description, recent price chart, and trading details to confirm you have Installed Building Products, Inc. Make sure the ticker IBP and NASDAQ market are shown before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if you don't have enough funds, eToro will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your IBP position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.